Here in the U.S., the Biden administration sends a letter to governors telling them that federal taxpayer dollars are available in the form of a Medicaid waiver for women traveling across state lines seeking abortions. This as President Joe Biden meets with pro-abortion supporters. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, the letter is also a stern warning that, quote, states cannot avoid their responsibilities under federal law. We'll get to more of that letter in a moment. First, the White House says it is marking a day of action on reproductive rights, and President Biden is doubling down despite the teachings of his own Catholic faith.
President Joe Biden tells state and city officials
the court got Roe right for nearly 50 years. And Congress, in my view, should codify Roe for once and for all.
A local leader from Houston told the president,
"It was tragic. Just yesterday, the trigger law in Texas came into effect, and it means that abortion is banned from the time of fertilization."
Just today, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, in discussing what it refers to as abortion care, told governors in a letter, states interested in federal Medicaid funding to expand access to care within the scope of Medicaid's legal authority for women traveling from a state that has restricted or prohibited abortion are encouraged to engage with the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. But former Vice President Mike Pence, a pro-lifer, shared videos from a speech he gave.
We must not rest, we must not relent until we restore the sanctity of life to the center of law in every state in America. 50 years of praying and fasting and working and striving. We stand today at long last when Roe v. Wade has been sent to the ash heap of history where it belongs.
Now, keep in mind in all of this, the Biden administration must operate under the Hyde Amendment, which prevents federal taxpayer dollars from paying for abortions. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.